Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Due to Magellan's discovery and extensive exploration of the ocean, the Pacific was widely known as the Sea of Magellan. This name became widespread, despite Magellan himself naming it Ocean Pacifico. It was not until the 18th century that the name Pacifico, which later evolved to Pacific, became common. 29 December 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The Indian Ocean bears close to 1/4 of the water found on the surface of the planet, and its warm temperature makes it susceptible to climatic changes like monsoon, tsunami, cyclone and often, strong winds. The Atlantic Ocean ranks the second in the catalog of the most dangerous ocean waters in the world. 27 June 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The Pacific Ocean is over the Pacific Plate. This tectonic plate is subducting under the plates it collides with on all sides. This means low elevation, so water has collected here for billions of years. 6 January 2016.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In general, tropical seas, especially the western Pacific Ocean, are more dangerous than temperate seas for the risk of injury and envenomation, which are common among seaside vacationers, snorkelers, swimmers, and scuba divers. Jellyfish stings are most common in warm oceans during the warmer months.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.